Ever wondered who's secretly checking out your Telegram profile? Telegram does not officially allow users to see who viewed their profile. This feature is unavailable to ensure user privacy. However, you can control who sees your last seen and online status with few simple steps. Before starting this video, make sure to save this for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to know who viewed your Telegram account. It's simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram app and tap on the hamburger icon at the top left. Then tap Settings. Select Privacy and Security under the Security section. Next, you will want to tap on the Last Seen and Online. Under the Who Can See My Last Seen Time, choose one of the following options. Everybody. All Telegram users can see your status. My Contacts. Only people in your contact list can see your status. Nobody. No one sees your status. Use the Add Exception option to customize further by searching the people you wish to share your online status. Then tap the tick option at the bottom right. So this is how to know who viewed your Telegram account. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.